That's not part of the constitutional design eh. Pero yung constitutional intent, mas naka-align si Senator Soto doon, no? Kasi the majority elects the Senate President, right? So, yung mga majority members, sila yung bumoto para kay do sa Senate President. So, automatically, ipso facto, yung hindi bumoto, sila yung minority. So, yan yung constitutional intent na pwede nating masabi, no? So, yung interpretation ni Senator Risa, I'm not saying it's unconstitutional. I'm not saying it's unlawful. I'm saying it's, kumbaga, unconventional. So, pwedeng they can start their own their own convention, kumbaga.
Yeah, siguro, baka positioning lang sila sa leaning towards issues. Pero I think, tama si Attorney Michael, dalawa lang naman talaga. Dalawa lang. It's the minority and the majority.